I'm Tara Bergio, and I'm the president of ATI Decorative Laminates. So ATI started in 1979. Jim Bergio, my father, did a lot of traveling overseas, and he had German contacts for this product that we relabeled New Metal, which is the product that we still sell today. And that was how the company got started. We literally started importing 4 SKUs of products, and we had 1 customer in the beginning.
Since then, we have added many different products to our arsenal. In the 80s, we started making MirroFlex, which is a product we still make today. It's our flagship product. MirroFlex wall panels are deeply textured decorative panels that come in a huge variety of textures and colors.
MirroFlex, just like New Metal, was originally an imported product. And the problem in the US market was the metric sizes. We could not get the company to manufacture a 4-foot by 8-foot sheet. So we basically invested in equipment and started manufacturing it ourselves because our customers dictated that they had to have a sheet size that was conducive for the American market. The main difference is it started just flat. So no textures, still beautiful mirrored finishes. Now we have wood grains, we have patina finishes, and now we have expanded that into these much larger, and I say larger format, like the pattern will expand over a 2-foot by 2-foot span instead of maybe just a couple of inches. With our ISO 9000 commitment, one of our goals and objectives is to minimize our waste, which obviously is good for production and profitability, but it's really important to me that we're minimizing what goes to the landfill and that we're not producing a lot of scrap, we're not making mistakes. We got ISO 9001 certified in 2008. In 2012 came our environmental certification, which is something that we didn't have to do, it's just something that I wanted to do. So that is paying attention to all the environmental aspects in the community, in our manufacturing. We recycle everything that can be recycled. We have 802 solar panels on our roof. So we are powering at least 50% of our production with solar panels. In addition to our certifications, there are a variety of other initiatives here at ATI for sustainability. EcoFlex is an important product to me personally because it is also helping us on our sustainability journey. As everything, the products change, so what I would refer to as EcoFlex 2.0 was our introduction of the MirroFlex product made out of a PETG material, which is slightly more sustainable. Fusion is probably one of the most fun products, but the hardest to explain because it can be just about anything you want it to be.
It's only limited by your imagination. It's something that whatever type of art you want, whatever type of image you imagine, we can put it on any type of substrate you would want.
Luma Splash combines the fusion process with LED lighting technology. So we are able to backlight the product, so we're using a clear substrate only on that, but it's still the fusion technology.
ATI allows designers to purchase and specify a backlit product as a one-stop shop. ATI provides the imagery, the frame, and the lighting so that you don't have to go anywhere else for your backlighting needs. ATI's innovation makes us a true leader. We are never sitting on our laurels hoping that what we have today will sustain us through time. We are constantly innovating, constantly keeping our finger on the pulse of what designers need, and we hope we bring that to the table on a continuous basis.
Our customers range from homeowners to large chain commercial accounts. We are in every industry from the RV industry to hospitality to healthcare. Really, anyone that has an interior can use our product. That's the great thing about it. We like to be a trusted advisor to our customers. It's actually part of our culture for our company. So we have a family culture, even though we are very serious business people, and we treat people as family, and we want to advise them for what they're going to be happy with and what's best for them. And on the rare occasion that it might not be our product, we will let them know that we don't think that this is a good fit for them for this particular instance, because we want people to come back to us and have nothing but a good experience with us and our products. The best place to buy ATI's product is on our e-commerce site, which we're super excited about because that launched about a year ago. And it is a very user-friendly site, and almost every product that we have is on there. There are some exceptions, and somebody can call us, text us, email us, and we can let them know where to buy it. We do have wonderful distributors in the commercial spaces, and our product is very accessible.